Hi, my dear viewers, my dear student, welcome to my channel Science and Vigyan. This lecture is the same as we discussed previously, QSAR. Basically, in this week, I will deal about ligand-based study. As you know, QSAR is ligand-based study, and today we will discuss toxicology or toxicity profiling of the drug. As you know, when we synthesize any compound, after synthesis, if any drug, they will found to be toxic. So there is no use to synthesize that drug. So the scientists thought to perceive the drug before doing its toxicity profiling. I discuss each and everything in detail to you and important websites that are helpful to do the toxicity profiling. Before to that, don't forget to press that bell icon so that you can receive my notification in time. Or on Saturday, I thought to have a live session about the cat. If you are interested, please drop a message in comment box. Okay, before to move to website, we are supposed to discuss here toxicity profiling. Toxicity profiling means we have to do the fingerprinting of toxicological profiling of any sample with respect to the bioassays. Bioassay, in that we are supposed to spend too much amount of money. As we know, in the bioassay we need to have good lab infrastructure and animal also, or sometime we need to have expensive one kits. But in this we have to, in this profiling we use only our brain. Fine, you can see when I open the toxicity profiling, on the top post it is mentioned National Institutes of Health. Fine, I open that one first. After that I discuss one by one each thing. Fine, there is one paper about the toxicity profiling. It is an integrated effect based tool. with with the help of that we can do the site specific sediment quality assessment. What do I mean by it? Qualitative assessment. We can tell, for example, you are supposed to synthesize the quinoline derivative. Before synthesize the same derivative, we have to check their quality, whether they come to which class. For example, they come quinolines are anti-cancer agent, but we need to check their toxicity also. If they are toxic, we are supposed to start that. Fine. In this paper, the scientist has mentioned how the tool they are helpful to do the site-specific sediment quality assessment. Quality assessment means with the help of this toxicity profiling, we can tell whether any compound is active or they are toxic. If they are toxic, they produce which type of toxicity. Right? If you want, I operate this tool in front of you. Please mention in comment box. I will. I am happy to do the analysis on the live session also, and in my videos also. Uh, if you want this full paper, you can drop a message. I will send this also. In this, they mention only the quality assessment, and here they mention about the different bioassay. That is the theoretical part, but this video all about solely for the practical assessment, how practically we use toxicity profiling, how we use it. Fine, this is all about the National Institutes of Health. Now we come to toxicity profiling by the Agency for the Toxic Substance and Disease Registry. Again, this is a, both sites are government site, because even government wants the people, they design a project in this manner. They are supposed to synthesize the toxic chemical or the medicinal compound. In this you can put your compound also, you can search this also. You can see here are these are the public comment draft, like We know the cobalt is also one of the toxin. They mention their draft, how they produce the toxin. If you have any doubt about toxin or the poison or the antidote, please do mention comment box. I would like to share, because before going to the next step, we should know the basics about the app. You can see this is a draft for the cobalt. In this, they mention each and everything about the cobalt. They complete profiling. If you don't know how to study these profiling, please do mention in comment box. I will discuss in detail what are the important one now, but you can see there are the n number of regulation and uh, paperwork. I will tell which component is important to read, like from where we can have compact information about that drug. Like as in the paper they mentioned about the cobalt, we rather than we check the complete profiling, start with the chemical and the physical information. From that we can have their idea about what is that. Fine. And this is about their government official. In the next video I will tell you which tool is helpful to tell the toxicity profiling of the drug. Fine. Okay, this is the second one site that are used for checking this. This is the agency, sorry, ATSDR. This is agency that is helpful to assess the toxic capability of any drug. Again, this is the government site. These both sites, they are basically used for assessing the toxicity profiling. In the next video, I would like to share the web server that are used to assess the toxicity profiling of any drug. Guys, especially I'm dealing with the cat and the drug development. If you have any kind of doubt, if you want to have a help for the designing any project, especially on the in silico study, feel free to contact me. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Happy learning. And don't forget to like and share the video if you found the videos are very useful. Thank you.